Alright folks, today we're going to take a look at Look Like a Boss Beard Balm. It smells amazing. Now I don't know if there's a particular scent that they claim it smells like, but it definitely has a bit of a watermelon type of smell. And if my face smelled this good, I'd be a very happy individual. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's get Jennifer's opinion on the scent.
I think it smells really good, and I think that a guy's woman would really appreciate it.
There you go. So the bottom line is that this is a good quality product. It smells good, and it's going to smooth out your beard. It's good for big, thick, burly beards, or even beginner level beards like I've had in the past. I let a few of my buddies give it a shot, and the unanimous opinion was that this is one of their favorite beard balms. It thickens your beard. It helps encourage beard growth. The botanical scent is pretty amazing. It's mess-free, and you can use it on your beard or on your mustache. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Go ahead and pick some up, use our referral link, and subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching.